blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come by. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, not in your business. I wanna get kissed, I wanna get rich, yeah, I wanna.
And I'm back. So all here I'm doing is cutting up the sausage and washing it off because I'm not dirty, and then putting it in an aluminum pan and then putting it in the oven at 350 degrees. Oh yeah, please excuse my bonnet. Bear with me, I ain't do my hair yet. I don't know if I'm putting this in the title, but this is my first time making pancakes, so please bear with me. Some might be burnt, but you know, it's okay. It's okay because they're still good, popping. Here I'm getting 5 eggs out, 3 for my omelet and 2 for the scrambled eggs I'm going to be making. Salt and pepper, of course. Okay, so all I'm putting in my omelet is cheese and a little bit of spinach because that's all I really want in my omelet right now. But of course, when I go to hotels, I'll be balling out. But we ain't in a hotel right now. But yeah. Let's say I did have another video of me making the pancakes and making the scrambled eggs, but the video wasn't showing correctly. But this is the finished product, and it was really good. I'm stuffed, and I'm finna get ready. So thanks.
The difference, yeah, me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah, yeah.